Hey guys, welcome back to the Midwest Invest channel. Hope you're ready for another adventure. We are over here at the $25,000 house. Under the house right now, currently in the crawl space. And like I said in the plumbing or in the gas line video, I did decide to replace this hot water heater. So today in this video, I'm going to be draining this hot water heater out, using a sub pump to pump the water out of this concrete barrier thing that we're in, or the hot water heater's in. Get that out of here, and maybe get the hot water heater out of here if I can lift it by myself. If not, I'll wait for another day when I have some help to get it out of this hole. And then I'm going to go ahead and drain that though, and then I'm going to get started on putting in the new water lines. So over on the other side of the crawl space over here is where the water line comes in, the main, and I just got all the old water lines all cut out now. We just have that main coming in with a PEX in fitting, barb fitting, ready to go to start putting in the pipes. So as soon as I get this bad boy drained out, I'll show you that. We'll pump up the water, and then I'll get going on the plumbing. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe to our channel. Like this video once you start watching it if you like it, for sure, and stay tuned. Drained out in no time. But she's still coming out a little bit. Let this keep on draining. Empty. Oh yeah, so much more room in here now. Alright, so that was a little heavy, but I got the hot water heater out by myself, full of water. No, I'm just kidding, I drained it out. But got it all out, and now I can start working on the water lines. And then I'm gonna have to go buy me a new hot water heater. Hopefully they have one in stock. I'm trying to get a tankless one, I think. Might stick with the tank one if the tankless ones aren't in stock, but we'll see. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the generator going again, get the light on, and get the get going on the plumbing. Alright guys, this is where we're starting at. we're gonna start putting this plumbing together. We got all the pipe and the fittings over here, and I'm gonna get up here close and show you guys exactly how to connect the fittings, and then I'm gonna get going on it and probably time lapse a good portion of this, but I'll show you the first fitting here up close and personal, so you can get the idea of how it works, and then the rest of them are just pretty much the same from there. So alrighty guys, we'll get going on it. Alright guys, I'm just test fitting this for length. Kind of eyeball it, and then what you use is a nifty cutter like this. I think you can see in here. So it pops open like this, and then you literally just pull and cuts right through. Pretty easy. Now we should get this straightened out a little bit more. Oh yeah, get that test fit right there, and that is G money. That is good money. So, all right guys, so we'll show you how you do this real quick. What you do, normally you would take this, boom, you put it on here before, you slide that down on there, you get your fitting, about there, say about 1/8 inch or so from the end, and then you grab your, these are the crimp fittings. You have the, well, I guess they're both crimp fittings, but you got the copper ones, or these are the stainless steel ones. I don't really know which ones are better. I've always used these ones because I bought this tool, but pretty much you just grab onto that little thing on the side, and you're gonna squeeze that all the way down. And then pretty much the tool tells you when to stop. So squeeze it all the way down, and it'll release once you squeeze it all the way down. And now that fitting is on there. Like, it's good. That thing is not gonna leak. Good to go. So now all we do from here is we're going to run up here to the top. We're gonna put a 90-degree fitting in right here, and then we're gonna put another pipe and shoot it directly over that way. And that's where we're gonna hook up to the outside spigot, and then put another T and head that way over to the hot water heater and all that good stuff. So we're gonna throw a T on here next. Same thing, you just, here's the T and the deal. We're gonna literally put this on here. Got a spider web on my face. That's kind of normal down here. But yeah, you're gonna slide your crimp on first, then slide your 90-degree fitting in there. Sometimes it can be a pain. Sorry about the camera. Just want to get you able to see that. So got that all the way in there. That's me. I got that all the way in there. Like I said, you're gonna shove this up to about there, and then crimp it down. So set this down. Ow. And then this is ready to go. Put the 90-degree in there, crimp it's on. Now we're ready to crimp it. Just get it right there. Oh, missed it that time. Sometimes it slides off of there, so you gotta get it just right. And put some pressure on it, maybe. And I'll grab it, there you go. The 3/4 inch are a lot harder to squeeze than the 1/2 inch are, so once you get going on the 1/2 inch ones, it's a lot easier to squeeze and not a big deal. So that piece is in, ready to go. Now we're ready to connect a new pipe right here and send it that way on over there. So I'm gonna get going on that. Probably will time lapse the rest, well, I don't know, the rest of this video, but the next little while of this video while I'm installing this. You kind of get the idea. Pretty much you just stick your crimp over the pipe, stick the fitting in, and then crimp it down on there, and that's a fitting. So you got, all kinds of different fittings Down there we're going to be installing this T fitting. There's T fittings that are, this is a 3/4 all T. You got some of them that are 3/4 to 1/2 inch T's. So pretty much, normally your main comes in as 3/4. You send your 3/4 out well, you run the 3/4 to the hot water heater, and you can branch off of that on the way there to run cold water to places. And then from the hot water heater, you'll run, normally you leave with 3/4, or you can leave with 1/2, and then you'll switch to 1/2 pretty quickly and send 1/2 inch pipes to all your sinks and bathroom, you know, faucets and showers and all that good stuff. So anywhere you need water. So yeah, guys, we got that crimped up. We're gonna go ahead and, like I said, hook up the next pipe running over here, and then we'll have to get some strapping to strap all these pipes up in place so they're not moving. Like this one here is wanting to do this, so we'll have to strap it up in place right here. We'll be good to go.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Part 2 will be coming out next, where we finish up the water lines and install the hot water heater. We're editing this video. The hot water heater just came in today, so check out the next video, like, subscribe. See you in the next one.